Welcome back. I imagine your company has a standard site template they insist you use. All of mine have. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly collate all your Evernote entries into such a template. And then I'll show you how to amend an Evernote template so that its entry fields match your company's site diary template. Let's get to it. Go to your template file using the link in the notes below. Follow the link to the Whole Engineer site diary and download it. Once open, snap the Word document to one half of the screen and bring up Evernote in the other. Let's start moving information from your site diary notebook to your template. I'll close the navigation pane so we can see things more clearly. Our template needs a date. Hit Alt, Shift and D to insert today's date. Our first entry is a site condition for the afternoon. Copy and paste the information into the template. You can quickly highlight text by double-clicking it, then hitting Ctrl, Alt and H. If it's likely faster, type in the information. Quickly copy selected text with Ctrl and C. And then paste it with Ctrl and V. As you can see, the formatting of the pasted text is wrong. We could correct this manually each time, but that is tedious. Instead, open the paste options and select Set Default Paste. Scroll to the Cut, Copy and Paste section and change the setting for pasting from other programs to Merge Formatting. Then, check Show Paste Options button when content is pasted. Now, every time you paste text from Evernote, it will match. We're finished with this entry, so move its location from Site Diary to Filed Site Diary. And it's gone from your list. Move on now to the next entry. A delivery record. Let's locate the delivery section on the template. After a short while using your template, you'll have learned where everything is. The first column asks for the time at which the event occurred. Evernote automatically records this for you. Click the down arrow next to the date and select Always Show Time of Day. You'll only have to do this once. Now copy and paste the rest of the information. And then move the note to Filed Site Diary. For the sake of this tutorial, let's speed through the data transfer at 4 times speed. Let's note the time now and then at the end, so I can highlight how quickly this can be done with practice and if you know the shortcuts. For each note, we are noting the time of the event, copy and pasting the information, and then moving the note to the Filed Site Diary, reducing the number of entries to 0. Let's go up to 10 times speed. You can see as we complete each entry, and then move it to the filed site diary, our list reduces. With the last couple of things to copy, we're done. Sign it, print it, file it, however you wish. And if we check the time, that took only 9 minutes. Your company's site diary template will likely be different to mine. Therefore, you may wish to amend your templates to suit. To do this, load a template in your Evernote. Make your desired changes and then save as a new template. As a closing remark, allow me to point out that collating site diary entries in a company template does not require an engineering degree. You don't even need to know the project. You only need to have seen this video. I advise you bear this in mind when selecting an individual to hold responsibility of this simple but vital collation task.
That's it. Join me in the next video with the whole engineer.